Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to program a 2008 Cadillac Escalade remote. Start with both doors closed and your ignition key out, then insert the key and turn to on without starting, cycle the key OFF, and on 8 times ending on, press any remote button within 10 seconds, test buttons and repeat if needed, and reinsert key to lock position to finalize programming. Before programming, check both the vehicle battery and remote battery to avoid interruptions. Have every remote you want to program on hand because programming often overwrites previously paired fobs. Close all doors and the trunk to prevent interior lights from resetting the process. Disable any aftermarket alarm or remote starter to avoid conflicts. Keep calm and follow the exact key cycle timing for best results. If this video is helping, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. Voice control, smart mapping, and hands-free pickup make workshop and garage cleanup a breeze after remote programming. It pairs with daily life perfectly and saves you time to enjoy driving. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Follow the exact sequence. Insert the key and cycle OFF to on 8 times ending on, then press any button on the remote within 10 seconds to program. If you have multiple remotes, press a button on each remote during the same 10-second window to add them all. Turn the key to lock or remove it to complete the procedure, then test lock, unlock, and panic functions to confirm success.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.